Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Reishi leather in Smalland. To begin, you'll need to venture into the world and find the elusive Reishi mushrooms. These special fungi are the primary ingredient for crafting this durable material. Once you know where to look, gathering them becomes much simpler. We'll cover the best locations and efficient harvesting methods to get you started quickly. Finding Reishi mushrooms requires exploring specific biomass. Head towards the swamp or damp, shaded forest regions where large, fallen trees are common. The mushrooms typically cling to the sides of these massive logs, often in groups of 2 or 3. Keep an eye out for their distinctive reddish-brown color and shelf-like appearance. They can blend in with the environment if you're not careful. Once you've located a cluster of Reishi mushrooms, simply use any axe or sharp tool to harvest them. Each mushroom you collect will give you 1 Reishi mushroom item. After gathering enough, return to your base and interact with a tanning rack. Place the Reishi mushrooms into the tanning rack, and it will convert them into valuable Reishi leather, ready for your crafting needs. Reishi leather is incredibly versatile, primarily used for crafting some of the strongest armor sets available, offering excellent protection against various threats. It's also vital for upgrading your tools, making them more durable and efficient. For a helpful tip, always gather more Reishi than you think you'll need, as it's a resource you'll frequently use. Also, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.